How to use Samsung Mobile as AC remote control. Now, first of all, most of the phones directly or specifically on Samsung devices has this capability to control aircon depending on the make and model of the aircon as well. So if you're using a Samsung device, I'm currently running with Samsung Galaxy S21, and then things you can do to operate an air conditioned with a remote using your Samsung phone is either to use a Volta Smart or Universal AC remote control. Simply access your Google Play Store and you can try this application here that says Universal AC remote or AC Smart Control. But it's always going to be depending on what is the make and model of the AC that you're using. You could also try to run with Remote AC Universal. You can try with AC Remote for Universal AC. Either of these apps right here. Basically, these applications right here actually works, but always be depending on what model of the AC that you're using. Simply set it up and make sure that your Bluetooth from other end is turned on. And then you also need to expect that there's going to be an active ads using those free applications. And that is how you use Samsung Mobile as AC remote control.